people of all ages are going caroling. Another way to make for money, but it's like going and sing.
Singing caroling. Yeah.
Singing, yeah. It says we sing a lot on that end.
And Jonas, sum up the conclusion. Come on,
I live
louder.
in the countryside, and it's quite a difference between the cities and the little villages. There's quite a bit less technology, and the people they're very kind, at least in the communities that I live in. And there's vampires. There's vampires.
Vampire.
Yeah. You've heard of Dracula, right? Yes. That's us. Thank you.
We're a circle, but we don't have polar bears. No. They live in the Arctic places, not in Finland, luckily. Ice fishing, yes, you can make a hole into ice and fish. Mushroom hunting, yes, pick berries and mushrooms, because we do have different landscapes in Lapland. It's very harsh, nothing grows there, like in the upper north, or we call that an arm.
El Prado Museum, que es el Museo del Prado, okay? It's one of the biggest museums in Spain. You already saw a little bit of the Museo del Prado in the video, and I recommend you to go there and see a lot of pieces of art. Okay, we have some of the things here. In Spain there is a lot to do. The sun shines a lot and people is warm.